Hello guys, welcome to Quad Boss Elite and welcome to the last video of 2020. It has been a long year, it's been an interesting year, but you know what, we pressed on and we've made it through. Today's video guys is just going to be kind of a wrap up of what we've done in 2020. What's new to the channel, we introduced the Silverado this year. It's been a big hit on the channel so far, so we're going to keep going with that. 350s, we're still going to be pressing on those. Always love enjoying riding those things, but the statistics for this channel has just gone through the roof through 2020. This year alone, we've had over 23,000 views. That's insane, at least for this channel. Previously in 2019, we were at 9,000. So we've more than doubled that. Subscribers, when we started the year, we were a little over 100. Now we're finishing the year a little over 200. So we're still growing at a good pace. The total views for this channel, by the time I upload it, is going to be 34,000 views. I was so excited when I first saw my first 1,000 views total. And now we're at 34, so that's pretty insane. I can't wait to see what 2021 brings us. Hopefully it's a good year, not only for this channel. I have plenty of good stuff for you guys for 2021. We're going to have plenty of mods for the Silverado. The Silverado got good Christmas gifts this year, so we're going to be set for the next few months. So I thank you guys for all the support you've gave me. 2021 is going to be fun. So enjoy this little montage.